Hello, welcome to Project 3 Optimization and 3D Modeling. This is my GUI. Now I can create a robot by clicking this button. This will create a robot into a 3D space. These are my robots. This is the robot which is at the origin, and I have transformed this robot by translating into x and y direction by 12 and rotating into z direction by minus 3.14 radians. And this is my new created robot. So our aim is to find the transformation between these two robots by using optimization. So let's see. So to do their end effector and note down their xyz values, we have to do it for minimum 5 to 8 times. So to move first robot, I have given this 6 buttons to move into x, y, z positions. To move the second robot, these are the 6 sliders to move 6 joints. So let's take some readings. So to match all the coordinates, I have to move each and every joint. So as we can see, all the 3 coordinates are matched. Now I can click on this save xyz value button. This will execute this function, and the values of xyz for the both robots end effector position will be saved in this file. As we can see, we have this reading over here. I can take some readings. You can move the joints and the xyz of the robots. Now as the y-axis is matched, I can rotate into xz plane and match the coordinates. Once I do that, I can see the values is been updated into the text file. Now for the demonstration purpose, I have already taken the 8 values in the text file. These are the 8 positions. Now to do the optimization, we have to give some initial guess. So these are the actual original transformation parameters, and this is my objective function over here. When I click on this compute transformation between the base and the base of the both the robots, this will execute this callback, and this will call the fmin search function. This will call the fmin search function, and fmin search function will reduce the error and find the exact optimal values for the transform between both the robots. So for that I'll be giving some initial guess as 13.5, 10.6 and minus 3.17 radians. Once I click the compute transformation button, this will optimize, and this will give the values as 12.13, 11.91. This is a very less value, 0.000. then these the value. So as we can see, these are the basically very near values to the original parameters. So I can do for some other values. Give 4. So once I click on this will give me another values, which is the optimized values, and this will also show the error which it have found, and it will display the error over here. Can do this at the time. Basically I'll be perturbing the parameters, and it will come back to the almost original values. This is 3D modeling using 3D slicer. I'll load a data. I'm choosing this down MRI head scan. Now we have already know how to create this data. So now to create a 3D model, we have to select a certain region. To select this region, I'll choose this editor. Now once this screen appears, you can choose any color you want to. As I'm going to select a brain, I'll choose this color. Now there are certain tools over here to select the regions. This is one tool. So I am selecting this level tracing effect. This is very nice tool. This selects the region by tracing the pixel values. This is very useful tool. So once I have selected this region, I'll click on marching, and then I'll click on march. Basically marching, if you want to create any 3D model, we have to do some sort of marching, some sort of triangulation. This marching will do the same. Now I can select the volume of the selected region. Once I'm done with this, I can click on make a model. This will create a 3D model. So as we can see, this 3D model has been created over here. Even we can change any color. We can do a different section with a different colors. We can do that. If I want to show some certain things like a bleeding over here, then I'll just click on this. Once I'm done with this, I'll click on marching, or even I can just say apply, and once it's done, I can go to model maker and select this one. So now I can see it's blood over here. So I can manipulate the data. I can color any part which I want to. Now the very nice feature of this 3D slicer is it has a MATLAB extension with it. You can download this extension by clicking this file, This extension is called as MATLAB Bridge. So once I have created this model, I can go to developer tools, MATLAB model generator. Now this screen appears, and now I just can put the name for my file, 3D brain. And now I can click on generate module. The model has been generated. Now I can go to this location. So as we can see, this MATLAB.m file has been generated. So we can use this file in a MATLAB, as well as there is another use of this MATLAB extension, which is MATLAB commander. You can give any command of MATLAB over here. Let's say x is equal to 1 and click on apply. This will generate this will open a MATLAB command window, and this will do this computation and return the values over here. So I can do some complex computation like